Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Listening. I'm Joy, and I'm happy you're here today. Today's lesson is called Talking to a Coworker. Today, you will listen to a simple English conversation at work. The English is slow, easy, and perfect for beginners. Don't worry if you don't understand every word. Just relax and listen carefully. Try to understand the conversation. By listening every day, your English will become better and better. Are you ready? Let's begin today's story.
Welcome to Daily English Listening. Let's improve your skills.
It is 8:30 in the morning. Emma is starting a new job today. She is a little nervous. She walks into the office for the first time. She looks around. Everything is new. Then she sees a friendly man walking toward her.
Good morning. Are you looking for someone?
Good morning. Yes, I am. Today is my first day here. I'm looking for the manager.
Oh, welcome. My name is David. I work here.
Nice to meet you, David. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma. Don't worry. You're in the right place.
Thank you. I was a little nervous.
That's normal. Everyone feels nervous on the first day. I felt nervous too.
Really?
Of course. My first day was not easy. I didn't know anyone. I didn't know where to go. I even got lost in the building.
Really?
Yes. It was a little embarrassing.
That makes me feel better.
Good. Where are you from, Emma?
I'm from Toronto. I moved here last month.
That's exciting. Do you like this city?
Yes. It's beautiful. There are many parks. The people are friendly. I'm still learning about the city.
You'll like it here. There are many nice places to visit.
I hope so. What about you? Have you always lived here?
Yes. I was born here. I know this city very well. If you ever need help, just ask me.
Thank you. That's very kind.
No problem. We're coworkers now.
Good morning. You must be Emma.
Yes. Good morning.
Welcome to the company. I'm Mrs. Wilson. I'm the office manager.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you too. We're very happy to have you on our team.
Thank you very much. I'm happy to be here.
Did you find the office easily?
Yes. The bus stopped right outside the building.
That's good. Did you have breakfast this morning?
Yes. I had some toast and coffee.
Great. You'll need lots of energy today. There's a lot to learn.
I'm ready. I'll do my best.
That's the spirit. David,
Yes,
could you show Emma around the office?
of course. I'd be happy to.
Wonderful. I'll see both of you later.
Thank you.
Let's go. I'll give you a tour. This is the reception desk. People come here first when they visit.
It's very nice. Everything looks clean.
Thank you. Everyone works hard to keep the office tidy.
I like the flowers. They're beautiful.
Our manager loves flowers. She changes them every Monday.
That's a nice idea.
Over here is the meeting room. We have meetings every Wednesday morning.
Is the meeting room always this quiet?
Not always. Sometimes everyone is talking at the same time. This is the kitchen. You can make coffee or tea here. There's also a refrigerator. You can keep your lunch inside.
That's great. I brought my lunch today.
Really? What did you bring?
I made a chicken sandwich. And I brought an apple.
That sounds delicious. I usually bring rice and vegetables. Sometimes I buy lunch at the cafe across the street.
Is the food good there?
Very good. Maybe we can go together one day.
I'd like that. Thank you.
This is the printer. You'll use it almost every day.
I've used printers before. I think I can do that.
Perfect. And this is your desk.
Wow. It's bigger than I expected.
Do you like it?
Yes. I really do. The window is nice. I can see the trees outside.
I like that view too. Sometimes I look outside when I need a short break.
Feels peaceful.
Exactly. Now let's sit down. I'll help you set up your computer.
Thank you, David. You've helped me so much already.
You're very welcome. This is only the beginning. We're going to work together every day. I'm sure you'll enjoy working here.
Think so too. I'm excited to learn new things and meet everyone.
And everyone is excited to meet you. Welcome to the team, Emma.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.